Right, I think Stevie might be here, probably wanting some dinner. So I'm just about to, don't touch that at all. If you don't come down, press the pause. I'm going to press it again. Stevie! Can you see him maybe? From there? Stevie! I'm just going to get him some sardines. Has he come down yet?
I think he's on the roof.
Is he on the move? Stevie!
He's on the roof. This one here.
Yeah. Stevie! Come on, good boy.
He'll have to come round, won't he?
Yeah. He's not bothered about the cats or anything. It's the scaffolding that's putting him off a little bit. Stevie!
Here he comes, is it?
Come on, good boy. Oh, he didn't make it that time.
Oh, bless.
If you press the, just touch the pause, it'll put a lot of time. You're miles away from me. There'll be a dot in the distance. It won't be worth watching.
Well, it's not you we're after, is it? Come on, boy.
Stevie! Come on, good boy. There you go. He's so clever. He's so clever. Come on. He's a good boy. Now we've got, unfortunately, we've got other bullying seagulls ahead. Trying. Come on then, we don't mind feeding them as long as they don't bully you on your way off. Right, please let him get away safely. Let me go over there and just distract these others. Oh, 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 good boy, only just made it over the fence.
You're going to catch him.
Yeah. Right, so he's got away and the others think that they're all being fed, so they've let him go in one piece. Brilliant. See you all later, seagull lovers.